Hi everyone, welcome to Keep Calm and Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little holly berry embellishment. You can use this on top of presents, cardigans, on a tree or anywhere else you might like to add a little bit of Christmas cheer. This is really nice and easy to make. I will be showing you how to make this step by step, but if this video is too fast for your liking, please use your settings to reduce down the speed. Now for this tutorial I will be using a 3.5mm crochet hook and standard double knit yarn in these two colors. I've got red and green. So grab the supplies and let's get started. Going to start off with our green yarn. Let's grab the end and wrap it around your two fingers like this. Turn it over and this is the side you're working with. Slip your hook under the first and pull up a loop using the second strand here. Catch this bit and pull this through the loop that's already on your hook. And this makes a magic ring. If you have an alternative method of making magic ring, then stick with that. For this one, we are going to now make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip your first chain, slip your hook in the second chain from your hook, pull up a loop. Make this loop go through the loop that's already on your hook. That's a slip stitch. In the next stitch, we're going to make one single crochet. Half double crochet next. Yarn over. Slip your hook in the next stitch. Pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 in one go. Double crochet after that. Yarn over. Slip your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook again, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. In my last chain stitch, I'm going to work 1 half double crochet. Yarn over, slip your hook in there, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 in one go. I'm now going to slip my hook in the magic ring and work a single crochet there. And that's one of these complete. I'm going to be working 6 of them all together, 3 of them all together. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip your first chain, work a slip stitch in the next chain stitch. In the stitch after that, it's going to be a single crochet, half double crochet next, double crochet in the chain after that, and half double crochet in the last stitch. Single crochet back into the magic ring and repeat one more time. 5, 6. Skip the first chain, slip stitch in the second chain from your hook, single crochet in the chain stitch after that, half double crochet next, double crochet in the stitch after that, half double crochet next, and last stitch of this round, single crochet in the magic ring. And once we've done that, you should have these 3 pointy bits. Grab the end of the yarn and pull it to close the magic ring off. This brings your stitches nice and close together. And we're going to start round 2. For this, you're going to slip your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, and make this go through the loop that's already on your hook. So we'll be working a slip stitch. So for this, you're going to work 2 slip stitches. So that was 1. Here's my second slip stitch and chain 2. Skip your first chain and slip your hook in the second chain from your hook. Pull up a loop to work a slip stitch there. Now this makes a pointy thing, which is this desired effect that we are after. This is called picot. We're going to work 2 slip stitches again. One, two, repeat that process, chain 2, slip stitch at the base of that same second chain from your hook, and slip stitch in the next stitch here, and in the stitch after that. So we have done 2 slip stitches, picot, 2 slip stitches, picot, 2 slip stitches, now picot again, 1, 2, skip your first chain, slip your hook in the second chain from your hook, pull up a loop, and there's my third picot. And now you should be left with 3 strands on this leaf. So you're going to three stitches, should I say, and we're going to be working 3 slip stitches in that. Here's my first slip stitch, second, and here's my third one. This round is a little bit fiddly, and that's 1 leaf done. We're going to repeat the same process and do it all the way around. So that's going to be 1, 2 slip stitches, chain 2 to make a picot, two slip stitches again, 1, 2, chain 2 to make a picot again, 2 slip stitches, and my last picot, 1, 2, and you should, let's finish this off first, and we should have 3 stitches left, so 3 slip stitches to finish off this leaf as well. Let's do the last one, starting off with 2 slip stitches, 1, 2, picot, again to show you, you chain 2, skip the first chain, slip your hook in the second chain from your hook, pull up a loop, and make this loop go through the loop that's already on your hook. That makes a picot. Slip stitch it then in the next 2 stitches again, 1, 2, chain 2 to make a picot, 2 slip stitches again, 1, 2, picot, and 3 stitches left, slip stitches in all. And there we go. Now once we've done that, you're going to snip the yarn off, pull it out of the stitch, and pull this down to secure this in place. I'm going to slip my hook in the center and pull this in, and again pull it out so it kind of gets fed in the middle. So I pulled it from the side and now it's in the middle. Going to give those two strands a little knot in place. And that's secure. Now you can use these strands later to, the way I've done it, to tie this embellishment onto your present or wherever you are planning to use this. You can use those two strands to actually tie that on. Now your leaves will look uneven, and that is perfectly fine because no leaves would be identical, and that's what we're after. Now onto the berries, and for this let's grab our red yarn and work a magic ring. Hold this strand in your hand, wrap the yarn around your two fingers, making an X at the base, turn them over. This is the side we're working with. Slip your hook under the first, pull up a loop using the second bit, catch this bit here and make it go through the loop that's already on your hook. And that's your magic ring done. We are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Going to be making these berries with puff stitches. So this is going to be start of my first puff stitch. Yarn over, slip your hook in the first chain here, which is the third chain from your hook, and pull up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, first 2 only. So it's almost like you're working a half double crochet, but this is incomplete. We're not going to make it go through that strand. Yarn over, back into that same chain stitch. So everything is going to be worked in that chain stitch for now. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, first 2 only. We've done this twice. We're going to do this 5 times all together. Yarn over, back into that same chain stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, first 2 only. Third time, this is fourth, yarn over, same chain stitch again. And for the last time, and there we go. Once you've done that 5 times, you will have 6 strands on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 strands and chain 1. Now you're going to go into your magic ring and work a slip stitch there, like this. Chain 3 again and repeat the process 3 times all together. So we've got one cherry, or the one of these. Second berry, you're going to make that the same way. Yarn over, slip your hook in the first chain, pull up a loop, once we've done it 5 times, 6 strands on my hook, yarn over, pull through all, chain 1, slip stitch in the magic ring. One last time, chain 3, yarn over, go into the first chain stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Six strands on my hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 1, slip stitch in my magic ring, and from here I can go ahead and snip this yarn off, pull it out of the stitch, pull this down, and now I can pull on the other strand to close the magic ring off. And when you do that, it's going to bring these berries nice and close together. Let's grab the leaf, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the middle by slipping the hook in the center, pulling one strand from one side, and another from one stitch away. And once you've pulled that through, make it position in the right place where you want it. Turn the leaf over and grab the 2 red strands, 2 green strands, give them a little knot in place. I always give it a double knot because that makes it nice and secure. And there we go. That finishes our holly berry. You can use these 2 strands to attach this onto the presents or on the tree or wherever you wish to use this little embellishment. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.